The following video is a Summit 16 by 40 manual lathe. Steve is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
So the machine is currently wired 230. You notice your oil flow immediately when you turn the spindle on the Summit will always be on the high sight gauge. The low one is the level. This is flow. So we've got that doing well. I currently have it in the red medium range, and I'm at 100 RPM. I'll lift up the guard just so you can see it. Clutches are adjusted well. We'll ramp up the speed here a little bit. Now we're in 400. Reverse. Brake is adjusted well. Forward. It's got our lead screw and our feed turning. We don't need that at a higher RPM for turning. You can take that out and stop your lead screw from turning and leave your feed on. There's our feed. There's our rapid. And we can go right into our feed rate. When we're done cutting, we'll go the other way and wrap it back. Cross slide, feeding, rapid, wheel flipping. All working well. Feeding out, feeding in. Just our oil, very generous, will do as well. You got your motor start here, your coolant start, and your e-stop right here at the saddle on these machines. Very nice. A little less RPM. We're at 100. Let's say we're going to thread. What this has to be neutral is the interlock between the two. So I'm turning inch. I'm going to click it in. Lead screw starts. My number comes around. Boom. Engage. Now we're threading. Got set at 12 threads per inch. Cross slide works well. We got locks front and back on the saddle. Steady rest. Live center. Now on a Summit you don't actually have to take it out of gear. If you're cutting metric thread you can just back it out. Reverse and bring it right back to your starting point. You've got the DRO lever. Go back to your starting point, go back to your zero, advance the cross slide, run again. You've got the follow rest, coolant tank, carriage stop. Don't works well. Got the manual for it up there. Done threading. Go to high range. I'm in 500 at high range. Next speed is 630 or 800. I'm in 630. And again, I can take this all up and just put it in the feed, stop my feed from rotating. Reverse. There's an oil sight gauge for this gearbox that's working well. The pump is working. Sight gauge, fill for the saddle. Really nice machine. All Summits have the hardened ways, gap bed, taper attachment on the rear. Very nice machine.
And the preceding video is a Summit 16 by 40 removable gap lathe.